How's it going? Austin Mayfield here. Hope you're doing great today. Today is Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, whenever you're watching this video. If you're new to the channel, on this channel I provide great free valuable content just for life in general. I'm not a financial advisor or planner or anything like that. I just like to share my life lessons and what I do. I started No Limit Products back in 2015. It's an online marketplace in which vendors pay a small monthly fee to sell their products with us every month, okay? I sell some of my own products on there. Got a Crush It Online course, teach you everything you need to know about getting started or how to make more money online if you're already into making money online. I've got a link to that in the description below. We have an affiliate program. You can refer vendors. For every vendor that you refer to us, we pay you 50% of their monthly vendor fee. Okay, so a great way to start generating that passive income that you might be looking for. So, what do I want to talk about here? Passive income. I love doing videos on passive income. A lot of my current followers might know that already, and a lot of people appreciate it. Some people get tired of it, but it's this type deal. Stop trading time for money. Stop trading time for money. Who would want to do that? Who in the right mind would want to trade time for money? What do I mean by trading time for money? What I mean is if you get up every day and you go to a job that you do not enjoy, or that you're simply trading your time for an hourly wage or a yearly salary, that is trading time for money. Even if you're getting paid salary, you might think you're better off than being paid hourly because you're getting a lump sum, okay? In all reality, a lot of times salary is worse than getting paid hourly. Here's why. Salary equals infinite hours. Your boss can make you work infinite amount of hours, okay? Hourly you get paid. No matter how long you're there, you're getting paid for every hour you're there, okay? Here, they can rip you off. Unless you're overpaid. I would say less than 1% of the population is overpaid. A lot of the top CEOs are not overpaid. They might get paid a lot of money. But it brings me to my next point. This is the big difference. You get paid for value. What do you provide people? What do you provide? The value, the return, the ROI, the return on investment of your time. How much is it worth to the company that you work for or the company that you own? You get paid for your value, not for your time. This is what people need to start realizing. Focus on value, not money. Everybody likes money. Everybody knows we have to have money to do well in life or to barely scrape by a lot of times. So focus on the value, not the money. If you focus on the value, the money will come and you will make more money than you ever thought possible if you provide value, great value. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy my content. Like I said in the beginning, we got opportunities in the description below, 100% free to join, except for the Crush It Online course. That's a $495 course, but we do a giveaway every single week. The affiliate that refers the most vendors with our NLP affiliate program receives the Crush It Online course 100% for free. So check out opportunities in the description below if you're thinking about switching from Shopify or tired of Amazon's high fees selling on Amazon. Come check us out. First 30 days, 100% free to start selling. Let me know of any questions or comments in the comment section below, positive or negative. I like to hear all feedback. Till next time, Austin Mayfield. Thanks.